for now.
मैंगोज, सोने मैंगोज, बब्बे मैंगोज, बच्चे खा जानी। इतने सोने बब्बू हैं, बहुत ही सोने बब्बू हैं। आए माँ शक्करे, डंडियां काटते रहते बब्बू। हुई 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 हुई, ऊपर चल रहे पुप पुप करके। हुई 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 हुई, आधे सोने बब्बू। हुई 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 हुई। ओके ओके, लड़ाई ना करो। हुई लड़ाइयाँ करने आ रहे, लड़ाइयाँ करने आ रहे। हुई वीडियो ना बनाऊंगी। हुई
Tigers are Siberian. Storm is equivalent in weight to Colossus. How many chickens? At about 600 pounds. Lions hold the weight, whereas tigers burn a lot more energy than the lions do, so they maintain a slim.
Hey, Marcus, get back. The one
And Sheba is a cougar, like the other ones, but she is 21 now. She just turned 21 this year, and that's equivalent to 101 human years. She has well surpassed captivity expectancy as much as wild. Wild, they say, with any of the big cats, 6 to 8 years, possibly up to 10. That's not accounting for human interference, the likes of poaching. That's just within their own elements and what they have to endure. In captivity, double, triple that life expectancy. So high teens to mid 20s. The Sheba is 21. She is a den diner, what we call a den diner. They're Canada's big cat. We do have lynx and bobcats within the country, but this is Canada's big cat. They do not go out into the open space. We do rotate all our cats out in playgrounds, but cougars do not go out while they are in young years because they're gymnasts. They can go up a tree quite easily, and they can go from tree to tree to tree, and that's how they would hunt us or prey. You wouldn't know that they were hunting you or stalking you. It could be hours before you would even realize, and it would be too late. Once you realize, they'd be on you, likely coming down from a tree. But they're just incredible acrobats. They could go up one side of this enclosure, right across the roof and down before your mind is comprehending what you just seen. So we do not have them out in open space, and down the road, this for captivity, that will likely be a requirement that jaguars and cougars are not out in open space or space without a roof. cougars are known to be 10 times. And the physical appearance you're seeing now is slim, very similar to the tiger, where they're quite slim in the summer seasons and do put bulk and weight on into the winter months. They are a winter cat, so you would have a thicker coat on them where they would look almost double the size to what you're seeing right now. On our left is Thor. We call him Thor Kilman. And Muskoka is on our right. Thor will be 3 in November. Muskoka just turned 3 in July. We do have 2 females on the other side of them. And then we have 2 cougars over here, and we'll be coming over to Sheba shortly.
So none of them cohabitate together?
His coat, very much like Penelope's, but black on black. Voodoo, as you can see, does have a limp, and he will, going forward, the remainder of his life, have a limp. When he was 3, he grew up with Zoe the cougar, and just playing with each other, whatever he did, he tore the ACL in his leg, so he will ongoing have joint issues. The injury has healed, but like us, you're going to have a weaker joint, so we maintain now his weight so that he's not putting extra pressure on it. His age, he is now 11, so that is a factor that we have to maintain that weight, particularly just like us. The older we get, it's easier to hold the weight versus lose the weight. And then maintain care for arthritic issues that would develop in there. Penelope's 5, and she's full of P and B. Always giving him trouble. Jaguars differ from leopards. First, the spots. On a jaguar, they refer to the spots as a rosette, where there's multiple spots within a spot, whereas a leopard, a spot on a solid coat. Jaguars are stockier, shorter leg, just all around stocky, very much what we would say like the pit bulls of the dog world. Whereas leopards, leaner, longer. They're both from 2 different continents. So we have 6 cougars here.
Look at his paws. Mom, you're literally the devil.
call him the boss, the big one that's out there.
Chanty, you catch. Ready? Chantress. Chanty.
And the front
Catch.
lion,
Go.
our biggest male lion.
In a mood.
Our tiger